Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Goodbudget. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser or the Goodbudget application on your device. And if you're using your browser, then type in goodbudget.com in the address bar and press enter. Now from the Goodbudget homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be asked to log in using your credentials. Now within the login page, if you have forgotten your password, click on Have Trouble Logging In underneath the login box and you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you used while signing up to your account and then click on the Send Email button. You will now be asked to check your inbox. So log into the email address that you just entered and you will find an email from Goodbudget. Open up this email and you will find a Reset Your Password button. Tap on this button and now you will be allowed to enter your new password. Type in your desired new password and then click on the Reset Password and Login button. And now you will once again be logged back into your account on Goodbudget and your password has also changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Goodbudget. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.